Very good morning, guys. Welcome to YouTube channel Numeric Galaxy, which is committed to make you always awaken and not let you to rest. Here, very funny question you can say. You are viewing a picture, and very simple question, very simple question, very simple question. You will ask what the question is. So question क्या है? ये एक डायग्राम है. This is a diagram, and you are to say what this diagram shows. What this diagram shows.
For diffused reflection. It's a
You
diffused reflection.
rightly said this diagram is the diagram of diffused reflection. Is law of reflection valid for every surface? Is law of reflection valid for every surface? Yes, law of reflection is valid for every surface, whether it is a regular surface or where it is irregular surface. What do you mean by a regular surface?
Regular surface is a surface that reflects every light from itself.
No, it's not the correct answer. Regular surface means a smooth surface. Regular surface means a smooth surface, chikna surface, plain surface. Okay? Next question related to the diagram only. When all the parallel rays reflected from a rough surface, are they parallel or not? When the parallel rays are reflected from irregular surface, are they parallel or not?
Can you please repeat it?
When parallel incident rays are reflected from irregular surface, so after reflection, are they parallel or not?
Parallel.
No. First of all, you must understand what the parallel ray are. Parallel means this type of ray are called parallel ray. Two rays, if they do not meet at any point, so they are called parallel rays. So you see here, after reflection from the irregular surface, reflected rays are not parallel. Why? Irregular reflection happens. Why irregular reflection caused? What is the cause behind the irregular reflection? Can you explain?
I doesn't understand the question. Can you please explain?
This is irregular reflection. So why this is irregular reflection? What is the cause behind it?
If the surface is not smooth.
Yeah. This is the very proper cause. If the reflected surface is not smooth or regular, if it is irregular, so the reflection will be irregular. And this causes by irregularities in the reflecting surface. Can you say the phenomena of irregular reflection is the failure of law of reflection? Is the phenomena of irregular reflection is due to the failure of law of reflection? No, it is not due to the failure of laws of reflection, because it also follows the law of reflection, but the reflecting surface is irregular, it is not a smooth, so the irregular reflection happens. What are the irregular surfaces which causes irregular reflections? And I will tell, that is cardboard, brick, book are the irregular surfaces. And what are the example of regular surfaces? Mirror, polished sheet of iron. Mirror is the best example of regular surfaces. And image in mirrors are formed by regular reflection. I hope you would have understood better the irregular reflection with comparison with regular reflection. Okay, thank you. Please like and subscribe and share my video channel Numeric Galaxy. Very good. Thank you.